Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys. If you have any of those, you have engine light on and you have any of the following 5 codes. I'm talking about code P0105, 106, 107, 108 or 109. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it guys. All that will be covered in this video today, so make sure to stay until the end and we're going to cover super helpful information. You don't need to remove your engine, we simply have it out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you guys thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you where everything is located and how to teach you how to fix your Kia on your own. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So many of you guys have been asking us in the comment section below to share a good scanner for diagnostics and what we recommend, what we use the most. So we decided to do that. This is the scanner right here. We'll put the link where you can get it from in the description of the video below. Check it out. Key is right here, but it works on almost any car you can think of. And this is a no system scanner, which is amazing guys. So now, if you have any of these codes, what you need to look for, you need to follow your intake hose, okay, coming from the air filter box. That's your throttle body right here. Then you have your intake manifold. On the intake manifold, you have one sensor that is known as a MAP sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor. That sensor has been used by your vehicle to detect how much air the engine is getting, so it can calculate how much fuel it needs and all that stuff. That sensor is located right here. We have the bolt removed guys. If you want to see how to remove and replace it, the video is on the channel. But things to look for: first, you're very close to the radiator fan. That can catch your fingers and you can lose your hands. So we'll recommend to disconnect the car battery, number one thing. Number two, on these modern Kias guys and vehicles, it depends which battery terminal you disconnect first and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, which can be guys expensive to fix. So we'll recommend guys, we have a video that explains all that and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now once you do that, you can come closer to the fan if everything's disconnected, okay, and what we recommend to check the wiring harness. Make sure that it's not broken, make sure that it's not unplugged. Sometimes those wires can easily be snapped. When people try to fix them, they'll grab for the wires and try to pull the sensor out guys, which is a huge mistake, okay. So try not to hold for the wires, and myself, I will have to do that, okay, to disconnect it. Also inspect to make sure the wiring harness, okay, it's clean, it's not dusty, it's not dirty guys. And next, okay, we'll recommend to remove the sensor. You need to inspect the sensor guys, okay, and in some cases if you have a seal that's loose, that can cause that, okay, that can cause that those codes as well. But most of the times if you have any of these codes, it will be a bad MAP sensor. Of course it could be other things, but that's the most common reason that we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys and see you guys next time.